guys, it is Basement Experiments here with another video, and today it is an outdoor experiment. Well, it's not really an experiment, but I just dropped a cicada, and we're gonna be looking at cicadas, and we're gonna be listening, or I'm gonna be teaching you about the cicada life. This is a cicada in its exoskeleton. You see, there's no wings on it. But that, and then this is an exoskeleton, or a cicada without its exoskeleton. And they're all over these trees. And come here, look at all of these. And every year, there's hundreds of thousands of cicadas. But this year, it's a special year because it's a cicada outburst. It happens every 17 years or so. And so this is what a cicada life is like. Begins as a rice-shaped egg. When they hatch, they feed on tree fluids. They look like termites. And when they are ready, they fall onto the ground and dig underground. They stay underground feeding on roots for 2 to 17 years. After 2 to 17 years, they come up from under the ground as nymphs. They climb to the nearest tree and shed their exoskeletons. Then they wait for their shells to harden and wings inflate with fluid. Adult cicadas are called imagos. Annual cicadas. Annual cicadas are cicadas that come every year like swamp cicadas. Periodical cicadas that all emerge at once every 17 years, like a Cicada septinomicum. And proto-periodical cicada are cicadas that might emerge every year, but every so many years they emerge in heavy numbers. And that was my experiment about cicadas. And they're all over the ground and all over the trees. And remember, this year's a special one because it's an outburst. And I'll show you the things. So, like, this is a hole. They come out, and then begin as ripe shade, and then they come out, they find a tree, feed on the stuff, and then when they shed, they come out. This is their exoskeleton. And see, there's a thing in their back. And they're all over here. And ones came out, and they're still getting their wings like that. I don't know if this one's alive. Yeah, I think it is, but it's still trying to get its wings. And I'll show you the one that is alive. And it has its wings fully grown. Where is one? Right here. And this is an adult one. Oh, it's upside down. And see, it has its wings fully grown. And it's black with red eyes. Fly. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.